Excuse me. Will you drop this back there?
Where?
In Nebraska.
Lee Riveted, the new look of Lee.
Excuse me, do you have any change?
Let me check.
Lee Riveted, the new look of Lee.
Anything else?
No. Yes. No. Well, maybe. You're not busy. Maybe we can go get a cup of coffee?
Lee Riveted, the new look of Lee.
Hey!
Signorina, vai da avanzare.
I always knew it was a woman's prerogative to change her mind. Fortunately, she was dressed for the occasion.
Lee Riveted flares, the new look of Lee.